Hi, I'm Gia Nicolaides. Here's your morning brief on the coronavirus. It's day 12 of the national lockdown, and the number of confirmed cases have increased. We're now sitting on 1,686 out of more than 58,000 tests that have been done. We also now have 12 deaths. The latest victim from the Western Cape was 57 years old and had diabetes and heart disease. As mass screening and testing gets underway, we'll get a clearer view of the true spread of the virus, especially in densely populated communities. The Gauteng government has urged communities to take part in this process and steer clear of fake news. A video was doing the rounds saying that the swabs used for testing were contaminated with COVID-19. This is not true, and just a reminder that anyone who creates or spreads fake news is liable for prosecution. For those who are still worried about food supplies, Agriculture Minister Toko Didiza says we are producing enough food to get us through the lockdown period, as well as the months to come. Again, this means there's no need to stockpile. The minister has also given small-scale farmers who are in distress 2 weeks to apply for assistance. The department has set aside 1.2 billion rand in funding for them. There are concerns that the country's growth rate will continue to plunge if the coronavirus is not brought under control soon. The Reserve Bank has slashed its growth forecasts for the year, predicting that the economy could shrink by between 2 and 4%. The World Health Organization has lashed out at racist suggestions that Africa should be used as the world's coronavirus testing ground. 2 French doctors sparked outrage last week for making the suggestion that studies for vaccine or immunization should be carried out here in Africa, with one of them saying, and I quote, "There are no masks, no treatments, and no resuscitation on the continent." WHO says it's disgraceful to hear these kind of remarks from scientists. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson is now in intensive care after being hospitalized for COVID-19. His condition worsened and he was moved to the ICU of a London hospital on Monday. Scientists are still trying to find an antidote to the pandemic, which has so far infected more than 1.3 million people across the globe and killed over 70,000. A vaccine is expected in about 12 to 18 months. For more on the pandemic, go to ewn.co.za/coronavirus.